Alright guys, in preparation for open water, and because the last 2 attempts on the river have been almost complete fails, we're going to throw in a little unboxing here. I got a little order from 6 Cents. Just prepping for a little open water action. I also tried to go out the other day and get on that jerkbait bite, seeing if the bass were turned on here. The water temp's still about 46, but Divine Swim Baits, after watching Milliken Fishing put in a 60 plus pound bass bag on these suckers, I had to get a couple of them. Got a couple of those, but anyways, the one time I went out, I literally got snagged twice right away and broke off 2 of my jerkbaits. So I had to restock. So I got the Provoke. This one is, what's the name of this guy? This is the 106X. French Bone Pearl. There we go. That's what I was looking for. French Bone Pearl. I got this one, I think is sexy. Boom, right there. This is the Live Shiner. I feel like almost has a crappie-ish look to it. Could do good around here. And then I tried to get the crappie one. I couldn't find it. It must have been out of stock. This one is one of the bluegill ones. But that one good too. This is called the Bluegill Spawn. And depending on the day with the crappie, kind of some crappie colors in there with the kind of blue silverish. Looks like we got some free glass. What do you call this? Free sunglasses, you know, so they don't fall off. All right, but those were the jerk baits. Then I went ahead and got a little crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is correct. All right. So I got 2 of the hybrid jigs in a bluegill and a crawfish color. So one has the little bluish tint to it. One has the reddish right there. You can see in there better. I'll get them out for you guys later. But 2 of the hybrid jigs. Then I went 1 super size. This is a Cloud 9 Magnum. Okay, bluegill. Big old crankbait. Like, look at that thing. That's bigger than my hand. That's a money one. I didn't have like a giant crankbait. I have some big swim baits and stuff. And a couple jointed ones. I really didn't have a big crankbait. I have some big ones, but not like that. So I thought I'd get one of those. A deep diving, the Midnight one. What's the official name of this? I've seen Milliken use this all the time, so he got me to go for it. So if 6 Cents is listening, you're doing a good job by sponsoring him, because he talks me into all these on his shows. This is Black Magic. Okay, I got another one of the Black Magic. Okay, this is the Crush 50X. This is the one Milliken, the size he uses all the time. So I got 1 deeper diving one, bigger size, and then the smaller one. I got another, this is a C10, another deeper diving one in a bluegill color. What is this one officially called? This is Ghost Missouri Crawl. Okay, never mind. Crawfish color. Kind of looks like bluegill though. And then I got 2 more Crush 50 X's in different colors. I've got the Gilligan and the Baby Crappie, which I think is just gonna freaking smack, especially at Stizzyville, where there's a ton of overpopulated crappies that aren't very big. And then to team up with these swim baits, I got a couple of these, the bigger size. I got the 1/2 ounce and the 3/8. They were out of the smaller size and what I wanted, so I just ordered what I got, but we got some underspins. So I think those are gonna smack. A little box of adding it in. Now, excited to use all these. I'll go through some of my setups and some things I got rigged up already. So I might switch out and put on some of my new crankbaits, but what I've got right now is So what I've got right now on my Mojo bass rod, okay, I got a nice crankbait, deeper diving one, bait caster on my new, this is one of my new bait casters. Okay, I've just got a lipless rattle trap. I think that could do good. I've got the SLX DC new reel on my Mojo Bass Glass Rod. This one I just got a jig on. I probably switched that out. Then I've got a chatterbait on. Chatterbait's always money on my 13 fishing reel. Love that freaking thing. And then on here, I've got a new underspin swim bait, and this is actually from Chase Baits, that company that I got some stuff from last year. So we're gonna try that out, and then this is what I was using on the river. So as you guys saw, but those are kind of my rods. I've got a couple ultralights set up here for some crappie stuff. But those are kind of the setups of some of the poles. And then I've got some other stuff, some trolling rods, etc. Got my big rod, Big Sexy for musky fishing. We're using that, and this one I haven't rigged up. So I got a few more to go, but just starting to get some rods ready. That's some stuff I like to throw early spring here in Iowa when the water's still pretty cold. I also have a couple Carolina rigs ready. I might change those out to the Divine swim baits from 6th Sense. I might switch out and put a couple of these on there. But that's what we got. That's the unboxing. This is the setup. Just adding to the collection. Over there trying to get ready. I got some stuff here in the boat. But, you know, that's what we got coming. Stay tuned, guys. You guys can see me trying out a bunch of this stuff, and we're going to see what works best. And then, you know, hopefully Stink can get on them and smack them a few days. Really give them the business. That's what we're after. All right. Stay tuned.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.